No, your conditions are really great.
Oh, thanks a lot, man. Hey, what's going on?
What's the difference on the hot dogs?
I don't know what the difference is. It's all francs. If you really want a difference, try the Knish.
Can I get a Knish, please, and a Coke?
Hey, got you covered.
No, I'd like one of the dogs.
Well, this one's the franc. Over here you got the sausages. And these ones here on the end, well, they're 15 cents extra.
Meat better? Or...
Meat's meat.
I'll have the expensive ones.
It's your funeral, man.
I'll have another Knish.
Oh, absolutely. I got you.
Is there any charge on that?
Nah, no charge on the mustard. Mustard's free, man. This is New York.
And give me plenty. I get a Knish.
Knish with a Coke, please.
Some of this?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Something to drink.
Nah, it's okay.
That'll be $2, sir. Thanks. Who's next? Here, you take one of those. Hey, man, what's going on?
How you doing?
All right.
Man, let me have a Knish.
All right. Is something wrong? Something to drink? Large or small?
I don't care.
Here. That'll be $2, sir.
Thank you.
Next, please.
Yeah, and a Knish over here.
Vietnam vet, homeless, HIV. I got nothing. Even if you got nothing, you got more than me. Vietnam vet, HIV, homeless. I live in a shelter. Can't even rob. Can't even be a criminal and hold you up the way I should. Huh? Come on. Think I like this? Huh? Begging? trying to stay alive. Come on. Hey, sorry if I offend you. Sorry if I'm not beautiful. Sorry I'm not Richard fucking Gere over here.
Ow! Hey! Watch where you're going. You ruined my shoes.
Keep your shoes out of the way.
Don't tell me to keep my shoes out of the way.
Don't complain.
Look, you ruined my new shoes with your fucking tread marks.
I don't give a shit.
Do you know how much these shoes cost? Do you know how long I worked to get these shoes?
I don't have a foot.
Aw, so you don't got eyes?
See, you're a piece of garbage.
Ow! You fucking creep! I can see you got what you deserve, you derelict.
Give me my cup.
No.
Give me my cup. I'm a Vietnam vet, for Christ's sake. Give me my
when
cup.
were you in Vietnam? When you were
73, I
Oh,
was there.
yeah,
Okay, give me the fucking
bullshit.
cup.
You're a fucking liar and you ruined my shoes.
Give him his money.
No.
My fucking cup.
Fucking hands off me.
Give me my cup.
You ruined my shoes. This guy is a junkie and a fake. Is that even your leg? You got another real leg hidden under your fanny, huh? Oh, does that hurt?
Ow.
Does that
Ow.
hurt?
Give me my cup.
Give me the cup. Okay. You want the cup? Okay. Come on. Come on. Yep.
Give me my fucking cup.
The sight of you makes everybody in this car vomit.
Give me my fucking cup.
Give me my fucking cup.
Give it to me!
Okay. Take your
Fucking
hands off me. Am I right? Am I right? So they can't talk their mouth, but they're full of vomit.
Stop it. She's got my money.
Fuck.
What am I gonna do now?
Don't give him any money. They do this together. I saw them before. This is a scam. I seen him on the number 2 train. Do not give him any money.
What are you talking about? What's wrong with you? What are you, sick? What's wrong with her?
Yeah, how old are you?
You don't look old enough.
Yo, are you really in the war?
Yeah.
Excuse me. You saw those people before?
No.
You never saw them before.
The government provides adequate services to shelter people in that condition. Churches and hospitals, supported by private donations, will be better equipped to...
You made that up. Why did you make that up?
If you don't leave me alone, I'm gonna start screaming.
No, why the hell did you make that up? I don't...
Please, just leave me alone.
I don't got no family. I don't want to do crack no more.
She made that up. Help the homeless. Brand new issue, hot off the presses. Homeless news. Help the homeless. Brand new issue, hot off the presses. Homeless news. Help the homeless. Brand new issue, hot off the presses. Homeless news.
Fascinating story in here about Princess Di. That she might be palaceless. She ain't homeless.